Here's how to add confetti to your Kajabi page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to Kajabi. On the main menu, choose Website, then Pages. Now click on Landing. Choose the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the confetti demo to go to the editor. Click on any section and then on the left sidebar, choose Add Content. Please note, you can disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now going back here on the sidebar, click and choose Custom Code. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next, and this is what it will look like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the custom code space provided, click on Save. And if you did all the steps above correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.